my gorgeous, beautiful friend. How you doing? Welcome or welcome back to Designerquipo. Of course, it's me, your friend Joy. So, how you doing? Today's video is a really exciting one. I've not done it in a really long time. I think a year plus. Guess what video it is? It's a thrift with me. Yes, I'm taking you guys with me to thrift, and I'm not just thrifting items to wear. I'm thrifting things for my school project, things for my YouTube projects that y'all should look out for, because they're gonna be really exciting. And yes, you know that I can talk for a really long time, so let me just show you my outfit of the day and we can just go. And please, before we go, make sure you subscribe down below and also hit the notification bell so you become an official friend.
A few moments later.
Look for a text, 3 a.m. Why did I wake up again? Check your account, it's so easy for me to know where you've been. And you might think it's strange for trying to find what I already know. Creeps on a girl that you hung with and you don't even know it. Might post something I know that you like. Take some pics just out of spite. Check on your friends, are you with them tonight? You can call it obsessed by now. Eyes on my phone at all times. Got your ex on the ends of my line. What you won't say, but I will find. You can call it obsessed by now. I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping tonight. I'm creeping on you, creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping Times it out, you're coming around about now. It's no accident, you got something to say. Hear you without making a sound. And I got all dressed up, but I'm at home. I spent the whole night trying to pose, looking good, making sure that you know. Might post something I know that you like. Take some pics just out of spite. Check on your friends, are you with them tonight? You can call it obsessed by now. Eyes on my phone at all times. Got your ex on the ends of my line. What you won't say, but I will find. You can call it obsessed by now. I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping tonight. I'm creeping on you, creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping You might think it's strange for trying to find what I already know. Wouldn't understand it, but it's written in the things that you show. Creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping tonight. I'm creeping on you, creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping. I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you, I'm creeping on you.
I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't have shown up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside the lies. Her heart cries, you know she traumatized. Don't know why but looking for a reply. A piece of hope she keeping deep inside. I can't get enough of you. How many times you gon' run in circles? You can't keep on running from the truth. Go ahead and let them haters take a shot. You know our love is bulletproof. All they tryna do is drain your energy. Now it's time to recoup. I know they piss you off, got you hot, I'm loving how you play it like it's cool. Ever since you elevated, now they saying you be acting brand new. You ain't gotta worry about it, hit my line up, girl, you know I'm coming through. You know they say the word of jungle, feeling like an animal's on the loose. Let me be a stress reliever, baby, I can't wait to put my paws on you. I can't believe what anybody telling me. Tired of that drama, misery, and jealousy. Only time to tell if this really meant to be. I don't expect you to show me no sympathy. Walk out talking, I know my identity. Gave her my heart and told her I would never leave. No, she a rider, she already got the key. I'm not.
Okay, so as you can see, I just got home from my little thrifting adventure. I didn't get so much stuff, but I got really good ones. So I was just trying on the stuff I got, and I was like, let me film this thrift haul real quick, and here we are. So without wasting so much time, let's just get started. The first thing that I got is this pajama shirt, and yes, I got it today for only 50 Kenyan shillings, and it feels so good. The fabric is so soft, I love it. It looks cute on me, and I'm going to be wearing it a lot. Number 2, trousers. I got 3 pairs of trousers for only 200 bob, and the first set are these pairs of pajamas. The first one is pink with unicorns on it. I love it. The fabric is just soft, it's so comfortable, it's baggy. And the second one is this checkered one. It's just does not feel like a pajama to me. The fabric really good, the fit awesome, and I can just add like elastic at the bottom and turn it into sweatpants. Overall, I love both pairs, and I will mostly be wearing them outside. The third pair is this black jeans with a print on it that looks like a painting, and it is so good quality, no stains anywhere, and it's so unique. It's bell-bottomed, which is my current style, so it was a cut. It is also stretchy, which I love because it gives allowance, and at the fit, I'm just obsessed. I also got this red extra large pillowcase because I needed something red for my school project, and it has this embroidery on it that is really cute. I love it, and the red pillowcase is going to serve the purpose. The next one is a set because I'll be using them together in my school project, and those are a white and blue bed sheets. They feel so luxurious. They are really silky, and I'll be using a tiny bit of them in my school project. So if you have any ideas of how I can use either of them or both of them, please tell me in the comment section, and I'm looking forward to seeing them. Well, have saved the best for last, which is this checkered blanket that I got for 300 Kenyan shillings. The first time I saw it, I just thought of a trench coat, which is my main 2022 sewing goal, to make as many third layers as I can. And I just saw it and thought of the Shein, the Pretty Little Thing, the Fashion Nova trench coats that are all over the internet, and this is going to make me one. It feels so soft, so good against my skin. It is really warm, and I just love it. And that brings us to the end of this haul, and also the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and also if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and also the notification bell so that you become an official friend, and share this video with a friend so that they know the amazing things that are going on here. And bye, I love you, friend.
I don't want you to stay.